the last Mercedes that has been hand built. What do you think about the red color, or would you go for the goldish color or more like light blue to get in this concourse level shape? Huge amount of possibilities. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary, and it is a very special moment since this W111 just arrived from the United States. You can see that from the US spec. It is ready to be fully restored and to become the one behind me, a full restored Motor Classic Hungary verified vehicle. It is all done in-house here in Hungary. So in today's video I will show you the full configuration, what you can choose for your W111 that will be fully restored from A to Z. This can be yours. It is standing right here, just arrived, and you can fully configure the paint. And this is what I mean, it is freshly delivered right here at Motor Classic Hungary. It does say New York State with some stickers on the window so you can guess the origin. Of course all the papers are there, and this is just an ultimate opportunity for the US spec to fully restore it in the way that you desire. You can also fully choose the paint. This, for example, is an old booklet of Mercedes-Benz 280 SE Coupe and Cabrio, and it shows you the configuration. This one is from 1968. So you can choose, for example, this paint with these interior leathers, or the following paint with a blue interior, or a blue exterior paint with this pergament leather. For the Cabrio and Roadster, this looks like the emerald green that we know from nowadays, Mercedes-Benz. And there you have the entrance at grey, and again the blue. Also in light with the sun it looks different, of course. So you can choose these colors on your W111. So if you're looking to get your own fully customized to your wish W111, the last S-Class or the last Mercedes that has been hand built, you can get this one, and it takes around 8 months to fully restore it from A to Z to get in this concourse level shape. So you can choose your paint, interior color, different options, for example a floor mat at the trunk or leather at the door compartments. And there are a lot of different ways how you can make your W111 very special and matching to you. These are the new color combinations, but I would advise you to have a look at the booklet, which is all about the leather from 1968. And there you have the more quality leather that was used back in the days. Just have a closer look over here. You can also go for different perforations. The code numbers are all there, but check out the first pages. That's real quality, guys. Perforated, perforeerd. Amazing, guys. Such a huge amount of possibilities. The fact that this one came from the States does not mean it has to be a US spec after restoration. They can also change it to European versions. This does not look like a teared up vehicle, but there's a lot of work to do. You could see that from the interior leather that has been torn up. Of course, also underneath the bonnet there is a roll difference compared to the fully restored one behind me by Motor Classic Hungary and the one that has been maybe altered somewhere else. We will walk alongside the front to show you the chrome work and how it will actually be finished at the star, for example. and I will show you more configuration possibilities. The wheel cap, of course, has to do with the exterior color. You can completely configure it the way you desire at Motor Classic Hungary. It is all part of the package, so you don't pay more, because it is getting restored anyways from A to Z. So you can choose your color. What do you think about the red color, or would you go for the goldish color or more like light blue? Let me know in the comment section below. This, by the way, is fully restored, the chrome at Motor Classic Hungary. Also the color, of course, is fully painted here in-house. Just look at the state of the cover. You see some watermarks. The handle, of course, over here, but still Mercedes-Benz quality. Amazing. The seats completely torn up, but what can you expect after so many years of driving around? Amazing. Over there it looks in perfect shape. Of course, the interior is configurable in many different ways. For example, the bright steering wheel or the black one. So which one would you choose? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, interior color, I showed you the booklet. Let me know which one is your favorite. Overall, sitting inside the W111, it feels amazing. This is, by the way, the last hand-built Mercedes-Benz. The S-Class with the first V8 engine, hence the 3.5 on the back. So it is called the 280 SE. This car, by the way, is from 1971. I noticed it here from the writings. And I really love the feeling of sitting inside. The seat is also pretty soft. And we have wood over here, but you notice that the gloss on top of it is not in good state at all. Also, the contours around the window, it has been restored before or worked on, but there is a big difference in quality of wood. So you do see some air marks underneath the paint. Different quality of the wood. For example, the top one is definitely done on a later state. This one does not have the radio installed. You can go at Motor Classic Hungary for the Becker radio, the Europe, Mexico, what you desire. There is even a possibility to have the Bluetooth installed, so you can switch from aux to normal radio. So let's close the door. Amazing sound. Beautiful, guys. This is a full restored Motor Classic Hungary vehicle. Beautiful white steering wheel. And there you can see the wood quality. Amazing. Also on the dash, amazing wood. And you can fully customize the interior, exterior on the other one that just arrived. This one has the Becker Europe stereo. It might be that the car that arrived at Motor Classic Hungary does not have all the options, but since they are restoring from A to Z, all the way from scratch to the end, they can fit the car with all the options. That is, for example, just like back in the days, a full option list. So all power windows, front and the back. If you have a coupe, you can also go for the electric sunroof. And of course the climate control can all be installed. And the radio. Beautiful seats. The chrome over here, we have seen this in other videos. It is all done in-house. There we have a protection for the floor. So let's close the door. Do recognize the differences between the European version and the US version by, for example, the orange lights. And guys, I won't even talk about the underneath of the vehicle. Just check out the trunk area with the underneath of the ceiling from this trunk. Amazing. There it says 280 SE, Mercedes Star, and 3.5. Everything done in-house, also the lettering. So let's close it. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the W111s here at Motor Classic Hungary, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.